boot boot snip. Okay, so website name is boot snip. Boot snip. Okay, p. So here we get the plugins, any type of code if you want, so we can find it from here. Okay, so just go to bootsnip.com, and now I'm just going to delete my code, this code. Okay, this whole code, and I'll use the not whole code, just carousel code, this one slider, and I'll use from bootsnip. Okay, then let's check it is working or not. So just come to the bootsnip, and here now are you getting my screen? Okay, so just come here and just search slider. Okay, or carousel. So just carousel means Carousel. Carousel. Just search carousel. Yes. So here we are getting various types of carousel. Okay. Yes. So come on, come on. Okay. So now if I want this, so I want this carousel. Now see it is it's working. Yes. So for this, just go to the HTML part and just copy whole code. Okay. Just copy whole code from here. The same thing. This one. So from section, yeah, section I'm copying. Oh, this is container. I don't want container. The section I have just copied. Copy this section and go to the our body. After this, no bar. Just paste the section, and the same code is here. Okay, I'll explain the that code. So here we are getting that image. Okay, but still it is not working. So for this, go to bootsnip. Okay, yeah, bootsnip, and see here cdn. Okay, so this 4 5 cdn is here. I'm just going to copy, control z, just copy this code, and come to the project, and here I'm just going to remove this all, no need. Okay, and just pasted. Sometimes what happened, the javascript we have downloaded not working, is not will not work, then we have to give the cdn. Okay, so here I am using cdn, https cdn script max cdn. Okay, cdn js. So now let's check uh, again. So here it is not working. Now just go to the css. So if I want css, you can just copy, and just go to the code, and in the head link title here in style style, I'll paste that same code here. And now one more thing is left, which is javascript. So which is javascript is js here. Okay, so this is the code for js. So again we'll use this code in the same file. Go to the bottom of the page, and after this section, uh, just give script script, and here just paste that code. Okay, because it is animated. So now come to this. See, now it is working. The texts are working. Text is coming. Okay, So now come to the wood snap and just see the preview. This is the first image. Okay, this is the second image. So now let's see the second image is coming or not. So the same code, whatever the code we have downloaded from get bootstrap site, same code is here. Okay. Uh, this is the link, first image link. So I am just going to change this link. I want my image. So my image is in image, image, image or images. So my is in image slash slides slide one dot jpg. Okay, and the rest is here. So here also just copy this image and paste here. slide slide 2.jpg. So two images and just one. Come on, HTML. I think is it saved or not? IMAGE. So again, paste. Sorry, just paste and paste image 2 and slide slide slide. Yes. So this is the first image and come on. This is heading text. One image dot jpg. So here I first given slide 2, then slide 1, and in mobile view, then slide 2 and slide 1. Okay, and this okay. So here also change control V slide slide 3. So text animation is working. Image, come on. So text animation is working. It means JavaScript is working. But why it is not working here? Yeah. So you can copy the codes from the different websites and paste here. Now all the codes are same. Okay. If I come to this code carousel item, and if you compare this code from the bootstrap site, you'll get the same code. Okay. The caption, the code was on caption. Okay. So here carousel item and div. I want, if you don't want the text, you just remove this and you can make the comment on that code. Comment on one. Yeah, and just come down. If you don't want, then again you can make comment on this one. So the two and if I inspect it, yes, so this is responsive, this is fixed in size. Okay, so once JavaScript start working, at that time this one, okay, and this one will drop down, okay, will start working. But I think some file is missing here. Using Bootstrap. Yeah. So, okay, I have just tried the same code file. Okay, I just checked in the another PC, it is working. So now I'm showing you what are the file we have missed. Okay, so I think I was missing something. So just let's see in a demo project. Yes, I'm just going to open my one new folder. Come on, to open folder is demo. I have just created one more folder in web development demo. Okay, and the earlier folder was demo, so I just renamed it demo one. Okay, I'm just going to open demo, and yes, so in this demo I have only one single file. Okay, index.php or HTML. See here I have included just two things: JS jQuery.min.js and bootstrap.min.js. Okay, and now I'm going to run this project. Yeah, so in web development demo one, so demo, so just demo. See, this is working. Okay, the image, this is working. So now let's see the let's check. So this one I don't want it, so I would like to change my image. I want to show my image there. So just copy this slide, come on this slide folder, copy, and go to this demo under this image 1 2 3. I add this one. Okay, so here image, there is a folder slide. Okay, so just come here, one image slide slide slash slide one. Okay, and the same thing dot jpg jpg. So just going to copy this and just paste here. The name will be 2 and the name will be 3. Okay, so just come. Yeah, this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. I won't do anything. See the code what I have written. This is my code. Okay, and it was also my code. So here what are the file I have included, just go and do. Yeah, these are the file. Yes. So this is the file of my image. So the same code I have just included link bootstrap.min, which is for CSS purpose. Link, this is for font purpose. And are you getting my screen? I have just I have a copy of one project, demo project. Okay, I just pasted it in my folder, and now the JavaScripts are working. JavaScript is working in that project. Okay, demo project. So the same thing I'm showing you. The code is very simple. See, only this is the code. 012 image, the same code. Okay, previous and next. Okay, now if I want to use, I'm just going to delete this. So if I want to use no bar on that project, okay, this is on container. That's why it is giving 15 pixel space from the left side and from the right side. If I remove this container, if I use here instead of container, I use flood, then it will occupy whole space of that body. Let's refresh till, yeah, the whole space of this body, and now it is working. Okay, so in the top I want no bar, so just go to the carousel and just have no bar. So just go down, just copy this one, just copy, and here is just give the slider. Okay, I have used bootstrap. Okay, and here paste, and just come to here, danger, or if you danger. Yes. Okay, now drop down is also working. So I don't know what I missed. The same code was there, but it was not working. Getting? So drop down is also working. Okay, and the image is also working. The slider is also working. Nothing I haven't include. Now I'm just going to show you what are the file. See, JS. In this JS, we have the same thing: bootstrap.bundle, bootstrap.bundle.mean, bootstrap.js, bootstrap.mean.js, and jQuery. So the last file, I've just missed jQuery. So I've included jQuery here and just bootstrap.mean.js. Okay. No need to include proper. Actually, the here you will get see a drop down. So here we are getting in the overview we have to include bootstrap.bundle, okay, and proper.min.js. But I want to include this one. I have just included one file which is bootstrap.min.js and one file which is jQuery.min.js. See, this jQuery is very important. Wherever you want to use the JavaScript, you must have to include jQuery. Okay, so sometimes we don't have to follow this one. Okay, so hope you are getting. Okay, so now we have included this one also and the slider also. Okay, if I click here, we are getting all. Okay, now let's assume I am just going to comment this slider. Okay, comment this slider, this one. Okay, I would like to comment. Now it is commented. Okay, so let's see. No slider here. It is working. Now just go to the carousel, CARE. What code I copied? This one. So I have copied this one earlier with controls. So now again I'm just going to copy the same code. Copy. And here after this div and this div, or maybe in this, so I'm just here, just paste. Okay, and here I have image slash slide slash slide 1.jpg. Copy, paste, slide 2, slide 3. See, I have commented this one. Okay, I have copied the new code and just refresh. Yes, so see, again it is working. Okay, so is there any problem in this slider on this drop down? So you have to just include uh, bootstrap.min.js and one jQuery file. Okay, I'll give you the upload the jQuery or give the link. Okay, you just find it from the that YouTube. So I'll not upload the previous session. Okay, I'll not upload previous session because we won't do anything in that session. Okay, I will upload this session. Okay, yeah. Now, so if you want with caption, then with caption or with indicator like this one, then you have to apply, use this code. Okay, this code, and see here is the previous, next, and if you want some captions on that code, then you can use this one. So just copy, and so see, if you don't want to copy, no need, you just copy this one. Okay, just copy this one and paste it after the div, in this here. See, first level. Okay, first slide. If you click here, you'll get the, here I haven't given any code. Okay, so you can just, the code is same, just little bit changes. Sometimes somewhere is in paragraph is given or somewhere not. Okay, so and after this, same code you can also give after this one. Okay, so this is second slide, second, and after this image you can upload the third slide. So here STHIRD, third slide. So just come. This is the first slide, second slide, yes, and here third slide. Okay. Now uh, this is also working. Yes. Let's check in mobile view. If I click here, okay, it's working. Yes, getting, it's working. Yeah. So sometimes it is very hard to include multiple files, multiple links. We have to just upload whatever links we required. So now this is, if you open it in mobile, you can. Now, if you want to change it from left to right, you can, and you can change the name of this menus. Okay, and here you can upload the, sorry, you can, yeah, you can embed image instead of navbar. Okay, now if I want some forms, then we can create under this or on the bottom of this slider. Okay, so here after this you can upload. Now, so there are various types of sliders given here. Like this one you want, this one. So for this, what we have to do? Come down. Okay, okay. So now for this line, so we'll use this one, OL. Okay, indicator, copy. After this carousel, you have to paste. So we have here, just paste. So here we are getting one, two, three. Okay. So this one, yes. So indicator also we are getting. Okay. Now, but if I click here, it is not working. Okay. Getting ना वन बाय वन. मैं अगर चाहता तो आपको डायरेक्ट ये कोड कॉपी कर सकता था यहाँ से. I can copy it. Okay. I'll copy the whole code and just paste. But no, I am showing you all the things in one by one. Okay. So now just come down. Carousel example, this one, carousel example caption. Okay. I have to give. So the data target is carousel caps example. So here href is here. Okay. So just come down. This one is in href carousel example controls carousel example. Next one, previous, next. Yeah, it must have to run. Okay, we'll see. So is there any problem now in this slider or in this drop down? This is JavaScript. Okay, because we want to generate some event on that click. Okay, so at that time we required JavaScript. So on drop down we are clicking, on slider we are clicking, or once we inspect it on in mobile view, again we are clicking on that three toggle. Okay, toggle button. So events is generating on that clicking area. So at that time we required some JavaScript part. So hope you are getting this. Yes. Now you all are now getting confused of from where I can copy the code. See, to study, to know the skills, we have to go to refer getbootstrap.com site. This website we have to refer. Okay, but now if you understand all the things, this is for carousel, this is for card, this is for collapse, this is for button. Okay, so at that time it will provide some basic knowledge. Okay, but you want to give some more design, some more looks on that particular form, on that particular uh, 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 project. Okay, on that particular code. Like, see, form is form in this bootstrap. Form in this bootstrap. Come on. Yes. Form in this bootstrap. See, there are various types of form. Okay. Form design, but these are normal. Okay. Everywhere the same form we are getting help text, everything. But this is the form you can refer from here. And yes, okay. These are the different types of form. If I want to use this form, we can copy from here. We can copy and paste. But if I searched form in this uh, Bootsnip, then form forms. See, these are there are various types of designs. Okay, login form, sign up, login, and these all are see get bootstrap form here, bootstrap form. Okay, but like me and you, there are some developers who upload the forms, who upload the design on that Bootsnip. Okay, getting. So if you want to use this one you can copy this one, login form with tab. Okay, if you want to use, you can use this one. So for this, just have to copy. See, tab means, come on, yeah, here, one, two. Getting here, login form one, and here, login form two. Okay, if you want to use this, you can use. Or if you want to use this one, you can also use this one. Getting? So just have to copy and see, he is also using the CDN for Bootstrap team, bootstrap.min.css, bootstrap.min.js, and jQuery. Getting these three files are very important, and I have also used this three file in my new project demo. Okay, but there is some external CSS as given here. Okay, if you want to emphasize, if you want to give the attractive look, then you can also create your own CSS and you can apply on that code. So this is the form design. Okay, so if you want, you can just copy. You have to copy uh, this main, from this main, copy, and under this body just paste. Okay, just pasted. Now go to CSS. See, because I have already included bootstrap.min, bootstrap.js, okay, and jQuery. That's why I'm not copying this one. Okay, now go to CSS, just copy, let's refresh. So 1 minute, just save this. Now refresh. Okay, so we are getting this form. One, two, sign up. Okay, login, sign up, contact, subscribe. So now just come and here, here we'll create style. Okay, style, and give the code, paste, and just refresh. So now see the, come on, anything missing? Bootstrap dot. Okay, import URL. So This one we want, okay, this one. So I'm just going to create this form into the next page, not in the same page, because you'll get confused. You will confuse this one. So here, get one more design and just save it, uh, demo dot html. Okay, sorry, it is saved in another location. Here I have to create one demo saved in different location. So here, new file, save, yes, demo dot html. Okay, and here html, sorry, html. Okay, I'm going to design this code. Okay, this design. So I'll copy this whole code body and come to this body, paste. Now then we want link. Okay, so for this we'll just copy this link, copy this link, and come to where we'll paste, where I have to paste after this title here. Okay, so here in this demo we have demo dot html. Yes, we are getting the form, bootstrap form. Yes, now just go to the css, and from here, because we have to import url, so mdb. Okay, so just have to copy, copy, just copy. Now we can also create external css. So here in this css I'm going to create one css file. The name is style.css. Okay, so style dot css, and just paste, just save. Yeah, save. And now I'm going to include the css file here. So here link, 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 and here in css I have created style dot css in the, yes, so I have created here style dot css and just save. And now let's refresh this page. Why it is taking too much time? Because it is accessing the code from the CDN. Okay, it is accessing the code from the CDN. That's why it is taking time, because the same file, the bootstrap file is not available on localhost. It is available from, it is getting from this link. So first is going to on this link. Okay, this link, let's see, ये क्या हो रहा है, इस लिंक पे जा रहा है, इस लिंक पे जा रहा है, यहाँ से जो भी CSS अवेलेबल्स हैं उस कोड के. ओके, कम ऑन, यस, ये जो कोड्स दिख रहे हैं हमें, यहाँ से क्या कर रहा है, वो कॉपी कर रहा है, यहाँ से उस फाइल को ढूंढ रहा है, एंड ढूंढने के बाद ये इस पेज पे जा रहा है. ओके, तो हमें शो कर रहा है. सो सी हाउ द लुक. ओके, सो वी कैन गेट We can create form from here also. Now you can also change here. Okay, so if you don't want, you can delete. These are, see here, if I don't want to use the first one, okay, I want to remove this one. First one is fine. I want to remove, okay, I want to remove this first one and two. So at that time, we'll just go to the here. See, it is divided into six. Okay, it is divided into six and six section. Yes, this is for six and this is six. Okay, getting six. You are getting, yes, yeah. So this page is divided into six and six part. The row is divided into six columns. Okay, so I want to delete the first one. So just we can comment the first row. Don't want to use. Just comment, or you can delete. Okay, you can delete also the first grid I have deleted. Now let's see we are getting this one or not. Yeah, this one I have deleted. Okay, login. So just refresh. देख रहे हैं ना कैसे हाउ मच इट इज टेकिंग टाइम, कितना समय ले रहा है वो वहाँ से फाइल ढूंढने में और फिर यहाँ से लेके आने में। तो ये डिफरेंसेस होते हैं लोकल होस्ट पे और डायरेक्ट सर्वर से आप कुछ चीज़ों को एक्सेस करते हो तो। ठीक है, अभी जैसे मुझे वो फॉर्म बनाना है, आई हैव टू क्रिएट दिस फॉर्म, डिजाइन this form I have to design. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll not design from myself. I'll just go to the server, okay, and I'll find number of websites, okay, and then find some tools, and then I can use. So it may be I'll use, see that file is deleted and this six row is left. Six is left because in this area there is nothing in these six columns. Okay, so maybe I'll use this one. Okay, just undo. And not only registration form, if you want anything, you just have to go to the Bootsnip. You have to search slider, slider. Okay, you'll get slider here. That time I have searched carousel. Okay, now I have searched slider. Getting number of slider design. You copy from space and use. You can, if you want to use like this, if you want, you can just copy and paste the code into your web page. Okay, so one by one you will get all the skills and you can embed it into your project. Okay, so you just have to remember the name. Okay, so for this what I'll just go to the page and find the code, just new I'll create. Okay, so I'll give you this page design to you and you have to design. Okay, on card, on panel, whatever you want to use you can use. Okay, so now, is there any problem in the second session? Today's second session, I haven't included number of files or link number of files. I included some basic two or three files. Okay, ज़्यादा फाइल हमने इंक्लूड नहीं किया है, बहुत ही थोड़ा, एक दो फाइलें हमने इंक्लूड किए हैं. ओके, सो आई विल अपलोड दिस सेशन Okay, so thank you again, and I'll I'm going to share this image to all of you, and you have to design. Yes, yeah. Try to design the page, and try to use the drop down and the slider. Okay, only 16 students are here, so don't worry. I'll just going to upload this. You can get help from there. Okay, thank you.